I had a new client come in today and I did an assessment, and this is what happened with her squats. Her squats looked a little bit like this, where she squatted down, and this is as far as she could go before she felt pain in her knee and some tightness in the hip. So here's what I did. First, I got her feet from pointing straight to pointing out just a little bit. And then from there, I had her create a bottom-up approach of creating tension. Here's what that looks like. Grip your toes into the ground, and then you're gonna corkscrew your feet outward without actually moving your toes. And then from here, you're gonna engage your core like a plank. So you're gonna slightly tuck in your hips just a little bit, create some tension right here, and then put your hands in front of your chest. And you're gonna squeeze really hard, drive your elbows together and push your elbows away from you. And now we have full body tension from our feet all the way up to our shoulders. And what that squat did was allow her to squat a little bit deeper, and the most important part is she did it without pain. I did a little bit more playing around. Instead of a narrow stance, I had her go just slightly outside, shoulder width apart, just to see what that did for her, and she was able to squat deeper. Thank you for watching, and if you want more tips like this, give me a follow.